I have created this Google Sheet where you can convert your text into speech, which you can use in your videos as a voiceover. So all you have to do is you have to provide your text in column A1 and now select the persona. So we have different voices here of mature male and female and young male and female. And I have selected shimmer. So if you need to generate a high quality voice, which is of course has double cost than the standard one, you can keep it checked here and click generate. Now it will take a few seconds and generate an MP3 file and upload it into my Google Drive. And the Google Drive link will display here like this. So what I can do is I can click this link and check if it is fine.
Welcome to the informative introduction on OmniConnect. OmniConnect is an innovative automated configuration application that is natively built on the Azure platform. This powerful tool is designed to help IoT process engineers unify the operational technology OT and information technology IT landscapes with efficiency and ease.
So you can see how smooth the voice is. Now in this sheet you can see that there is a log. So I have just generated this one and a new entry has been created for this, and the cost that has that your account has incurred against this entry has been displayed. So if you select a HD quality, you'll be charged in 10 cents, 20 cents per recording, and it might go up to $4 based on how lengthy it is. And if you select standard voice quality, you'll be charged in very less amount. It will be some negligible amount of cost, but of course with compromised quality. Won't be that bad, but of course it will be not as good as high quality sound. So this was it. If you need this sheet to be set up in your Google account, I can help you do that. And if you need to, you need an OpenAI account for this one. If you do not want to set up an OpenAI account, you just need the sheet as it is. So we can discuss that, how that can happen. Thank you very much.